All right, so you just reviewed the objectives of today's group activity with Live Niue, and we're looking at the northern, middle, and southern colonies. We got this, squad. So what? Why does each group does one part? Why? Many hands make light work, or teamwork makes the dream work. Your choice of description of why we work with teams. How? I'm going to give your scribes editing rights. Those are going to be popping up on the screen in a minute, and everybody can help gather information for the slides. Period slide is going to be where you're working. So there's 4 slides coming up for 1, 4, 5, and 7. And when is going to be right now, or actually right after we roll. So you can see in the corner of the screen it says let's roll. If I'm pointing correctly, I think it's going to be down there. I think. Maybe I got it right. So the dice are rolling down there, and you guys are going to get a chance to roll whichever die you choose. I got some fancy dice. I had the one fancy die, but now I have a bunch of fancy dice. Can you see these? No, not really. A bunch of fancy dice. So you're going to pick out a die, and you'll go ahead and roll it. I do want to point out one thing. If you have a 10-sided, this is a 12-sided. So if you're rolling the 12-sided, we're only going up to 10 today. If you roll a 12 or an 11, roll again. If you are rolling a 10-sided, 0, there's 2 10-sideds. 0 is going to count as a 10 for today, for this Let's Roll activity. So Live Niue should be coming around passing out dice right now because this is linked in. This is a fun one, the 4-sided. Kind of spin that one to roll if you want to. So at any rate, like I said, dice are being handed out right now. And of course we have some regular 6-sided dice as well. You're going to roll with your team to figure out how you're going to work. And then we're going to get into today's activity. You're going to be working kind of crowdsourcing information on the northern colonies, the middle colonies, or the southern colonies based on how you roll. So you're going to be looking for reasons for settlement, settlers, government, religion, and primary economy or industry. I'm going to get out of the way. I'm guessing those dice are all handed out. Go ahead and roll.